it's his maiden one-day international century.
Hi, welcome to our channel. Ray Jam. Today I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a trending vertical shake in Alight Motion without lag. Let's get into the tutorial.
And it's his maiden one-day international century.
So that's all for today, guys. I hope you all loved the video. Please make sure you subscribe. Ray JM for more tutorials like this now. Go and rock the edit, buddy. Thanks for watching.